Center. Basically, we wanted to start the heritage walk because we feel that the city has been divided and there's no engagement with this part of the city. So we wanted to bring people here, not just because they don't come here, but because there's a plethora of heritage sites here. Amazing, but we never actually walk through the streets where they're actually located, and we wanted that personal, physical engagement, people to have that. Government has like a very little role that they're playing. They do have a heritage department, but it's not really functional, and a lot of heritage sites are not identified as such because they have very specific conditions. Yeah, okay, development, and whatever your definition of development is, it's important, but it doesn't have to come with demolishing your history and your heritage.
We don't have history about this building. This probably was Hindu built thing because इसका जो design elements हैं, they are taken from Hindu architecture as well as colonial architecture. So it's a hybrid design form. हम लोगों को रास्ते में अगर कोई चीज़ ऐसी मिल जाती है जो कि probably मैंने भी नहीं देखी थी, तो I'll just ask the explorers कि let's just explore this thing.